Hello, so this is my video resource on the topic of assemblies that we're going to look at. So we're just going to talk about this question here that we were already given. We're just going to work our way through kind of how you would go about doing it and what it asks when it means a sectional view. So we start off with the given graphic here, and we're asked to draw the given elevations and project an offset sectional plan AA from the elevation. So if we look at it here, so we can see that these they seem to be holes, and if it kind of you can see that in the end elevation or end view, and then we have some hidden detail here. So you kind of need to use both views to find out what it is. We can see this first one as a hole. It comes down halfway, and then we can see then this bit here. So if you look at it, that seems to be some sort of kind of chunk taken out, or section taken out, maybe by a milling machine or something. And then these holes seem to pass the whole way through. From looking at it, it can be quite weird hard to understand, because these lines here, if they're elevation here, it means we must be able to see that. So it looks like this middle section on the front seems to be protruding out, and we can kind of get a better sense of what that actually looks like when we go over to the SolidWorks model. So I've drawn out the SolidWorks model here. This is what it looks like. So you can see this bit protrudes out just like in the question, and that is why when we look at it in a side elevation or end view, that we see these here. And if you sorry, wrong one. And we can see this way that is the thing now. The wee arrow there is missing. But so if we want to then move on, so now that we can see what the shape or what the piece is actually supposed to look like, and what it is in a 3D sense, not just the 2D images we were given, then we're told we want to take a section view. So for example, if I wanted to put in a sectional plane, I'll just make this solid again. From here to just across the middle, let's say horizontally, what would you be seeing, or what? It's kind of hard to visualize that when you don't actually have a 3D model. So hopefully this can kind of help students visualize that. So I'm just going to go into the sectional view tool. And so this here, so the section view tool is a really handy tool. It's you can build up your section view. So this one here, the sectional plane will be parallel to the front plane. We can get the top plane and also the right plane. So because the question asks for it's kind of more of a top plane section, we're gonna use that one. So this one's for your top plane. We can grab this here, and you can take a sectional view from any point along. So that's just a really handy tool for if you are on a question and you kind of are struggling to visualize what it'll look like or what the sectional view is asking for. And the same can be done for the right plane. So I can just click and drag this the whole way. So that's what the inside of one of the left holes will look like. That's what the middle bit. So you can see you have this section taken out. So the handy thing, and you can also play around with it. So you can take angled section views. So that's what that would look like. It's just a really handy tool to have when in terms of helping students to visualize what it is they're actually being asked to take a sectional view of, and what will the resulting image look like. Thank you.